Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create folders into your Tutanota mail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Tutanota mail application on your computer. After opening the application, your account will successfully be logged in here if you saved your login information. You can see all of your folders on the left side of your Tutanota. To add a folder, you just simply have to click into this Add Folders option here. Just simply click into that Add Folder option and enter a suitable name for your folder. After that, you can also enter the parent folder if you want to make it a secondary folder. But I don't want to make it a secondary folder, so I'm not entering the parent folder here. After entering the name, then click the OK button. Now, as you can see, my folder is successfully created in my Tutanota mail. By following these very easy steps, you can also create a folder in your Tutanota mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.